The Supreme Court on Wednesday ruled that the centre must pay compensation to the family of those who succumbed to Covid-19, but said that the amount of compensation will be decided by the government. Few days ago, the centre had told the Supreme Court that Rs 4 lakh compensation cannot be paid to all those who died due to Covid-19, as it would exhaust the disaster relief funds. Accepting the government's argument, the Supreme Court on Wednesday directed the National Disaster Management Authority to create minimum standards for relief so that some amounts of compensation can be paid. Meanwhile, the government was also asked to issue death certificates which specify Covid-19 as the cause of deaths and create insurance policies for medical treatment of Covid-19. The Supreme Court said NDMA failed to do its statutory duty to prescribe minimum standards. The Supreme Court bench said that we have considered the relevant provisions of the Disaster Management Act. It is mandatory statutory duty of the NDMA to prescribe minimum standards of relief plus ex-gratia compensation. It can be said that the national authority has failed to do its duty. The question is whether the court can direct the government to pay a particular ex-gratia amount of Rs 4 lakh. Ruling in centre's favour, the Supreme Court directed the NDMA to create guidelines for ex-gratia assistance to the families of persons affected by Covid-19. So what do you think about the story? Share your views with us in the comments below. Your voice matters to us.
Subscribe to Oneindia channel and never miss an update.